Have you noticed how online reviews all start to sound the same lately? Perfect grammar, generic praise, no emotion. That's because a growing number of them aren't written by humans anymore, they're written by AI. AI-generated reviews are spreading fast. They look real, they sound real, but they quietly destroy one thing your business depends on: trust. When customers sense that your reviews are fake, even slightly, conversion rates drop. And once trust is gone, it's almost impossible to rebuild. Here's an example. A genuine review. Delivery took 2 days, packaging was eco-friendly, we'll order again. Now an AI version. Absolutely amazing product, exceeded all my expectations, highly recommended. Which one feels more believable? Exactly. AI reviews oversell, while real customers tell stories. The problem isn't just ethical, it's strategic. Platforms like Google and Amazon are already training algorithms to detect synthetic language. If your store gets flagged for fake reviews, visibility and credibility both suffer. So what can businesses do? Focus on authentic, verified reviews from real buyers. Encourage customers to write in their own words, imperfections and all. Tools like CusRev help verify reviews automatically, so your social proof stays human and trustworthy. AI can write words, but only humans can build trust. Keep your reviews real, and your customers will stay real too.